This is section 6, Set and Modify Tabs. The first thing you need to do is open up the per diem document on Canvas. The first thing you're going to learn how to do is how to set tabs on the ruler. First, place the insertion point on the blank line below the Mills and Incidentals breakdown heading. Click the tab selector at the left of the ruler until the center tab appears. Click the ruler at the 2.5 inch mark to set a center tab. Click the ruler at the 4 inch mark to set a center tab. Press tab and type Chicago. Press tab and type New York. Select the list of words starting with breakfast and ending with totals. When setting tabs, tabs are part of the paragraph formatting. The selected text will be affected by the tab settings after the tab key is pressed. Click the tab selector until the right tab appears. Click the ruler at the 1 inch mark to set a right tab. Deselect the list and place the insertion point in front of each word in the list, and then press tab to align it to the right tab. The next thing you need to know how to do is use the tabs dialog box. Select the list of words starting with breakfast and continuing to the end of the document. On the Home tab, in the Paragraph group, click the dialog box launcher to launch the Paragraph dialog box. Click the Tabs button on the bottom left of the Paragraph dialog box. This displays the Tab dialog box. In the Tabs dialog box, you should see the 1 inch right tab setting that you set in the previous exercise. In the Tab Stop Position box, type 2.6. In the Alignment section, select Decimal. In the Leader section, select 2. Then click Set. After setting individual tabs, you must click Set to position the tab setting. In the Tab Stop box, type 4.1. In the Alignment section, select Decimal. In the Leaders section, select 2, and then click Set. Click OK. Place the insertion point after the word breakfast, and then press Tab. Type $10.98. Press Tab. Type $12.50. Click after lunch and hit Tab and type $9.50. Tab $11.25. Click after dinner. Press Tab, $13.50, Tab, $18.10. Click after Incidentals. Click Tab, $10. Click Tab again, $20. After totals, click Tab, $43.98. Tab again, $61.85. Select the blocks of text beginning with breakfast and ending with $61.85. Position the mouse pointer at 4.1. You will see the decimal tab screen tip. Press and hold the left mouse button and drag on the ruler to 5 inches. Release the left mouse button and notice the decimal tab setting for the 5 lines is positioned at 5 inches on the ruler. With the text still selected, position the mouse pointer at 2.6 on the ruler until you see the decimal tab screen tip. Press and hold the left mouse button and drag on the ruler to 3 inches. Release the left mouse button and notice that the decimal tab setting for the 5 lines is positioned at 3 inches on the ruler. Select Chicago. Drag the center tab setting and position it at 3 inches on the ruler. Select New York. Drag the center tab setting the position at 5 inches on the ruler. The next thing you need to know how to do is how to clear a tab. Place the insertion point on the last line. move your mouse pointer to the tab stop at 5 inches on the ruler. Press and hold the mouse button and drag it off the ruler. Release the mouse button to remove the tab stop. The amount moves to the left. On the Home tab in the Paragraph group, click the dialog box launcher to launch the Paragraph dialog box. Click the Tabs button. In the tab stop position, click 3 inches. Then click Clear. Click the Clear All button to clear all tabs on that line. Click OK, select all the text on the totals line, and press the Delete button. The next thing you need to know how to do is how to set a tab stop. Open a new blank document. Press the Tab key 3 times. The insertion point is now positioned at 1.5 inches on the ruler. Press the Tab key 3 more times. The insertion point moves to the 3-inch mark on the ruler. Each time you press the Tab key, it advances 1/2 inch on the ruler. By default, the tab stops are set at 1/2 inch. Press Enter. On the Home tab in the Paragraph group, click the dialog box launcher. In the Paragraph dialog box, click the Tabs button. Click the up arrow below Default Tab Stops until it stops at 1 inch. Click OK. Press the Tab key 3 times, and notice the insertion point on the ruler now stops at every 1 inch. And this is the end of Section 6, Set and Modify Tabs.